Yes, students, we'll continue with the chemical properties of non-metals. First, we discussed reaction with oxygen. Second, reaction with water. So, non-metal oxide, non-metals, not non-metal oxide, non-metals with water, no reaction. With water, non-metals, no reaction. But metals, when they react with water, which gas is evolved? Hydrogen gas. Along with it, what is formed? Metal hydroxide or metal oxide. Next, reaction with dilute acid. With dilute acid also, non-metals. With dilute acid, no reaction. On the other hand, metals, when they react with dilute acid, which gas is evolved? Hydrogen gas, and along with it, what is formed? Salt. Okay. Now, so here we finished the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Now, one question if asked, give two examples of metal oxide, or yes, two example of basic oxide. So, metal oxides, non-metal oxides, which are basic oxide? Metal oxides are basic oxide. So, give the example of metal oxide. Metal, magnesium, an oxide of magnesium, MgO, magnesium oxide. Then sodium oxide, Na2O. Sodium is metal, so Na2O metal oxide, and metal oxides are basic oxide. Okay. Second, acidic oxide. So again you will think, which are acidic oxide? Metal oxide or non-metal oxide? Non-metal oxides are acidic oxides. So non-metal, carbon, its oxide CO2, it is acidic oxide. Sulfur, non-metal, its oxide SO2, non-metal oxide, and non-metal oxides are acidic oxide. Now, third, neutral oxide. So, just now we discussed certain non-metal oxides are neutral oxides. So, which are those? Carbon monoxide and nitrous oxide. Carbon and nitrogen both are non-metal and they are non-metal oxides, but they are neutral oxide. Okay. Next, amphoteric oxide. What are amphoteric oxides? I have discussed earlier. Certain metal oxides, they act as both acid and base. Otherwise metal oxides are basic oxide. But there are certain metal oxides, they act as acid as well as base. Such metal oxides are called amphoteric oxide, metal oxide. Which are those metal oxides which act as acid as well as base? What are those? Zinc oxide, zinc is metal. Lead oxide, lead is metal. Aluminium oxide, Al2O3, aluminium is metal. These three are metal oxides which act as acid as well as base. So, these are amphoteric oxides. Okay? Clear? So, students, today we completed chemical properties of metals and chemical properties of non-metals. Okay?